is about areas of rectangles, squares, parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids.
What is meant by area? The area of a geometric figure tells us about how many square units it would take to cover it completely. The unit of area is square units. Let us start with area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is calculated using the formula length times width. Look at this example. The length of a rectangle is 10 inches and the width is 3 inches. Therefore, area is length times width 10 times 3. It is 30 square inches. Area of a square. A square is a special type of a rectangle. A square has all the sides same. Therefore, we do not need a length and a width. We can simply call them sides. So the area of a square can be calculated by multiplying side by side or side squared. Look at this example. One side of a square is 3 inches. Find the area. All you need to do is to look at the formula. Area equals side squared. So 3 times 3 or 3 squared, it is 9 square inches. Area of a parallelogram. For a parallelogram, we use the terms base and height. Remember, base is one side of a parallelogram and the height is measured straight up and down. If you look at this example, the base is 7 centimeters and the height is 4 centimeters. Therefore, area is 7 times 4, that is 28 square centimeters. Let's go to area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is calculated using the formula 1/2 times base times height. The base of a triangle is one of its sides. The height is the perpendicular distance of this side from the opposite vertex. Look at this example. The base is 7 centimeters and the height is 4 centimeters. Let us use the formula. The formula says 1/2 times base times height. That is 1/2 times 7 times 4, and 7 times 4 is 28. 28 divided by 2 is 14 square centimeters. Area of a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides parallel. These sides are the bases. The formula to find the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 sum of the bases times height. The bases are normally represented by B1 and B2. Let us see one example. Look at this figure. The bases are 5 centimeters and 9 centimeters. And the height is the perpendicular distance between the bases. So if you look at this figure, it is 4 centimeters. So just to plug in 1/2 B1 is 9 and B2 is 5. So B1 plus B2 is 9 plus 5 times 4. Using the order of operations, we need to simplify the parentheses first. So 9 plus 5 is 14, and 14 times 4 is 56. 1/2 of 56 is 28 square centimeters. Let us do a few more examples. Example 1. Area of a square is 144 square feet. Find the length of its side. So, since area is even, I would start with the formula A equals side squared, because it is a square. Area is given as 144, so I would plug in 144 here, and S is missing. So from this equation, in order to get S, we need to take the square root of 144. Square root of 144 is 12. And the unit is feet. That's the answer. Let's do one more. Area of a parallelogram is 20 square centimeters. If the base is 10 centimeters, find the height. See, so since the area of a parallelogram is given, I would go for the formula A equals base times height. If you want, you can make a rough sketch. So, base is one side, so let us write it here, and height is missing. So, let us plug in 20 for area, 10 for base. The height is missing. Now, how do we get rid of this 10? 10 is multiplied, so you have to go for the inverse operation here. So divide both sides by 10. So you can cross out these two, simplify this one. 20 divided by 10 is 2 centimeters. That's the answer. Let's do one more last example. 3. Bases of a trapezoid are 10 centimeters and 20 centimeters. Area is 120 square centimeters. Find its height. So, area of a trapezoid is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times height. Area is given, it is 120. So, 120 equals 1/2. The bases are 10 and 20. So let us take B1 as 10 and B2 as 20. Height is missing. So how do you solve for height? 120 equals 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 divided by 2, it is 15 times height. Now how do we get rid of that 15 which is multiplied? So go for inverse operation again. Divide both sides by 15. Cross out these two. You get 8 centimeters. That's the height.
I hope this lesson helped. Thank you for watching.